What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. And I will show you how we caught this movement to the downside. I've told you that we should have a bounce from this point to somewhere higher, and then we should have a next leg to the downside. And it happened exactly as I predicted. Then I will continue with the fundamental news, and I will show you why we have this massive decrease in price of Tesla and what should we expect next. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you how we can handle the next potential movement of this asset. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you, let me show you, that this asset hit the golden pocket range. Statistically, it is the most probable range of trend reversal, and I've told you that we might have at least a bounce. And why I've told you that this should be only a bounce and not a trend reversal. And it is quite simple. Let me show you that from this top, if it is the top of our fifth wave, let me show you that probably we have from this lowest point, from the range of about $200, we have this is our first wave, second, third, fourth, and truncated fifth wave. And from this top, we have to have some kind of retracement in a shape of at least simple zigzag. Let me delete unnecessary tools. And the C wave should have a shape of 5-wave structure. And because of this, I make a breakdown of this wave, and we clearly saw only 3 waves out of 5. And my main assumption was that we should complete it, and right here we have this movement to the downside. And basically this movement already brought you about 14% of potential profits. Depending on your position, probably you could enter a short position, or this movement saved you about 14% of your assets if you stayed aside from any trades. So, and what should we expect next from the technical standpoint, I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. Why we had this harsh sell-off on Tesla? Definitely one reason is the overall sentiment of the market. As you can see, SPY index is almost completely in red. And definitely this pushes the entire market down. On top of that, let me show you this article. We are on CNBC.com, and this article was published on October the 7th, and it's titled "Tesla stock had its worst week since March 2020 during a very intense 7 days for Elon Musk." And the key points are following. A rough week for Tesla shares was punctuated by a lot of news for the company and its chief Elon Musk. Over the weekend, Tesla reported electric vehicle production and delivery numbers that did not meet analytics expectations, and I covered it in my previous video. After that, Musk posted a Twitter poll on the Russia-Ukraine war that aroused controversy, and announced he would follow through on the acquisition of Twitter, which he'd been trying to get out of for the months. And definitely, let me show you this news. I covered about their deliveries, and I covered that basically it is not a bearish news, it is a bullish news, because with the delay of roughly 20,000 vehicles, Elon Musk preserved the margin on these vehicles. Next one, Russia Twitter poll related to Russia-Ukraine war. Definitely, it is a very controversial Twitter poll, and a lot of people tried to avoid this news by any means, and that's why a lot of bearish pressure was made only by this tweet alone. Next one, the Twitter deal back on, and this is the basically the main reason why Tesla shares are down, because right now we have a lot of uncertainty, and a lot of uncertainty in the deal itself, and a lot of uncertainty if the deal is in play. Where will Elon Musk take the money in order to finance this deal? And let me show you this article. It was published on October the 7th, and it's titled "How Will Elon Musk Pay for Twitter?" And the main idea of this article that it has to pay, let me show you first of all this, how he plans to fund this deal. And once again, Twitter is $13 billion with the equity financing of $33.5 billion. The overall number is $44 billion, as you can see right here. And Because of the recent sell-off that Elon Musk did at the end of 2021 and in April and I guess August 2022, he has a lot of money, but definitely he has to pay even more. And let me show you how he can handle this issue. He can either choose to sell down more of his stake in Tesla or his stake in SpaceX. Other options include obtaining a loan from banks against the stocks or getting more investors to contribute equity. And overall, market doesn't respect any uncertainty on certain asset, and definitely because of this uncertainty, Tesla stock is moving down. And this is the only result that you should know. But let me show you this data. We are on marketbeat.com, and this is the two latest analytic firms that set the new price targets for Tesla. It is the Goldman Sachs Group and Mizuho, and both of them lowered the price target, but they set the rating buy on Tesla, and the price targets, new price targets are following. It is $333, and it is completely the same, almost the difference just only 30 cents, and $370 for Mizuho, and it lowered its price target from $391.67. The upside potential is still massive. It is roughly 30.5% and 53.65%. And definitely, overall, Tesla is a very strong company. And this massive movement to the downside is nothing else but the opportunity to enter your long position with this asset for the long period of time. Because overall, it has very good chances to skyrocket in the next 12 or 18 months. And let me show you some details from the technical standpoint. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you the latest movement in details. And right here we also have to have a 5-wave structure. And we have it. Let me show you like this. This might be the first wave, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And basically, we can see the trend reversal, but we have some bearish signals. First of all, the first bearish signal is that we broke the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of $228.11. This means we don't have major support from the Elliott wave perspective, and this means we might see lower price targets. Next range of support probably might be at $214. It is the 1.618 extension level if we compare the length of the A wave compared to from the top of the B wave. And also it is not the strongest range of support. Major range of support definitely should be right here at this bottom. And if this asset breaks this range of support, we will see lower price action because on a bigger scale, let me switch to daily time frame. Right now we have on the most biggest scale, we have this ABC correction. This might be A wave, this is the B, and this is the C. And we have 3-wave structure in our A wave, 3 waves in our B wave, and 5 waves in our C wave. And this probably should have a movement to the upside, the initial, the first wave of the movement that might hit much higher targets. But if we break this range of support, this bottom, we might have this type of retracement. Let me show it to you right here. From this top, we might have, this is our W wave, this might be the X wave, it is a failed wave, and we have to have one more leg to the downside to complete the Y wave. In this case, the consolidation phase will last a bit longer, and we have to see lower price points for this price action. This means the crucial point for Tesla right now is $204.79, and we have to take a closer look on this range. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium